Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, simply press and hold the side button until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. And when you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button. And now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. Now, as you can see, we have info about updating the time on our band. Basically, you need to reconnect to the Health app on your phone. And to do it, simply open the Health app on your phone and select go to your device page, and then there you can reconnect your device. And to skip this screen with the info, you can simply press the side button. And as you can see, now we are back in the system. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave the like on the video.